just relax and enjoy. Have fun.
Bakit daw ka rito ka? Hinahinay lang dahil. Sorry, dili daw kalingkod ka sa swimming pool. Giseka.
Ikaw na mag-touch dyan.
Okay, candidate number 1. So, what is your motto in life?
My motto in life is time is gold.
Why? Why time is gold?
Because for me, a very little minute is important to us to enjoy. So, just enjoy and have fun.
Okay, so what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Why?
Because when I see blue, I feel so relaxed. I feel so relaxing. Oh, it's so relaxing, you know.
Okay, so how about yun naman your love life? Who's your crush?
My crush is Ading and Diretso.
So okay, paso daw ka rito ton. Okay, ito rampa. Rampa. Gibalik diri. Go balik na po. Go paso rito, gurit dito sa labi. Balik na. Go, kata dayon.
Welcome in the buhay to Bye-Bye Coronel.
Girampa rito. Gipag yun rampa, pagsud. Sige, paso.